shit. It's a baby. That's crazy.
That's where I threw my water in there, remember? Imagine how that grubby.
Hey.
Hell no. That took me to the hospital.
Look at that.
It's a helicopter.
Man.
They're medevac. Damn, that's crazy, man.
I know.
He's twitching. That's damn grass. I'm gonna go to a skate park. Oh, that looks nasty.
Weird looking.
And just step on it already. It's gonna attack.
I just jumped on my hand.
Put the camera right on. Get on it.
I want to. I don't want to get too close.
Just hold it from over here.
Yeah.
Especially all the black ones. For me, they're nasty.
Yeah, I want to kill it.
Oh, hell no.
I just want to see what's inside it. Kill it or what?